Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I am Alvin Brown, Master Instructor at Ignition Martial Arts, and today we'll be going over the traditional form Chon Ji. Chon Ji is a beginner belt form primarily for white belts. This form consists of 19 movements. There will be no kicks in this form. However, there are two primary stances, your front stance and your back stance. Your three main hand techniques that you'll be using will be your low block, your middle block, and your center punch. Now, there will be two kias in the form, one at move 17 and one at the final move. One of the tips we will give is that every time you have to turn to your left, you will be turning 90 degrees. If you turn to your right, you will be turning 180 degrees. That being said, let's go ahead and start with breaking down the form. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to our attention and bow. From there, we're going to go to our ready stance. And from there, we're going to start our very first move. We're going to turn our head to the left and we're going to go into our front stance, low block. From there, we're going to point and we're going to step forward into our front stance, center punch. Now from here, we're going to go to our right, same thing, front stance, low block. From there, point and step and punch. From there, we're going to go 90 degrees to our left, front stance, low block, point, step, and punch. And for move number 8, 180 degrees to the right, front stance, low block, point, step, and punch. Now this is the point in the form where we switch our stances to our back stance, middle block. From here, we're going to point and step and punch, continuing with that. Now from here, we're going to go 180 degrees to the right, middle block, point, step, and punch. From here, 90 degrees to the left, back stance, middle block, point, step, and punch. From here, 180 degrees to the right, back stance, middle block, point, step, and punch. From here, we're going to go to move number 17, where we step forward and punch with a nice loud kia. From here, we're going to step backwards and punch, and then step backwards to our final move into a center punch, a nice loud kia. From there, we go back to our ready stance, then attention and bow. And that concludes the traditional form Chon Ji. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.